Welcome to a stay-at-home vlog. And today we have a special announcement, so stay tuned. Okay, I'm going to get right to the special announcement and then I'm going to show you what's going on in our home today. We are actually getting our house ready to put up for sale and move. So where are we moving to? Florida. We're moving to Florida. So the channel will be moving with us, obviously. I have not been doing a lot of Myrtle Beach content lately, if you've noticed. Whenever I'm in Florida, it's mostly Florida stuff. Slowly making the transition over to being a Florida home vlog or vlogger, and hopefully do a lot more of the theme parks more often. So that's exciting, but that's not really the main reason we're moving. The main reason we're moving is to be close to family. My husband's parents live there, and my mom lives there, and our daughter lives there. So, and we have lots of other family, aunts, uncles, cousins. So nobody's left here really in South Carolina. The last one was our son, and since he's joined the Army, he's in Missouri. So we just really want to be close to family. So part of that process is putting the house up for sale. And I'm going to show you what we've been doing to try to get this house ready up for sale. And I'm going to show you a little bit. Our house is in disarray right now because we're having to pack. So this is probably the messiest I ever had my house. I'll just show you some of the things we're doing. This is the master bedroom. If you're looking for a house for sale. This is before staging, but this is my bed. It's going to be for the staging. That's the only thing I have ready for staging is the bedding. And here I'm going to be painting the 2 nightstands. I'll show you guys that process while as I do it. Carpet has to go, but you can see we're packing, so I have boxes everywhere. This painting's for the staging, so you can see. I'll put it on the bed. I got the bedding to match the painting, and the painting is actually gonna go, so you can see I matched it pretty good. It's gonna go over the top of the bed here because I don't really have a headboard for this bed, so I thought this would look good over it. I got this on sale at Kirkland's for only $24. I thought that was a really good deal. And so you can see it's a little bit of disarray, bit of a mess, but we're working on it. And we still have to paint this room. All the brown is getting painted, and I'll show you that more upstairs. And the bathroom has to be painted, and the carpet has to go. And we're changing the curtains because these are blackout curtains, and we want to make sure when people walk through the house it's like bright and sunny, not dark. But of course, for me sleeping, I like it dark. You can see that it's emptied out and it's a mess because we're still packing. Paint everywhere, but it's coming. I mean, kitchen's hectic. All my stuff is packed, nothing on top. Usually that's cluttered with stuff. Really makes you realize how much stuff you have when you have to start packing and like staging your house. It's like, I have too much stuff. All right, so I want to take you guys upstairs to show you what Harold and the guys have been working on. So this is our loft upstairs. We have a 4-bedroom house with a loft, and the loft is upstairs. And this used to be my art studio. I don't know if I ever showed that in videos. If you're watching my art videos, you can see that, the art studio. And now it's like empty. It's kind of crazy, like all my art stuff. I've been painting doors from brown to white. So there's my handiwork there. But yeah, we have to get painters to do the hallway, the staircase, because it's very high, and we do not have the equipment. Like, I don't know if you can tell how high the ceiling is from here. So we're gonna get painters in to do the walls, but we're trying to do like the baseboards and the doors because we know they charge more for that. So you can see here, Harold's been working on painting the brown. everywhere. I can give you guys a suggestion on anything. So like everything's getting moved around because we're gonna start to put down flooring. But never paint your baseboards anything but white. Because when you go to paint over them, it is a nightmare. Just saying. All right, so this was our daughter's old room, Noelle. If you're watching, Noelle, here's your old room. And you can see the boys have pulled up all the carpet and gotten all the stapling off, and they're ready to put down the laminate flooring. We're not putting down any more carpet. And it's so echoey now. Here's the baseboards. They're terrible, and the boys have to obviously fix them. I don't know what happened when they pulled out stuff, but they really messed up these baseboards because they were all painted. So something happened when they pulled up the carpet, pulled off the paint. Interesting. So we gotta fix that. And we have to put doors on the laundry room. And here is our son's old room, Noah, which is currently our guest room. And for staging, we're going to be staging this as Harold's office. So the baseboards are not in the baddest shape here as they were in Noelle's room. I do not know what happened in that room. But yeah, I guess when they pulled up stuff, they scratched up the baseboards pretty bad. Here's the closet. And Harold, we have to have the painters paint the closet because, yeah, the green has to go. So this is the original color our son picked for his room when we first moved in here. He was in middle school, and I was like, oh, you guys get to pick your colors for your room. It's your room. So yeah, he picked this like bright green. That was his choice. But the rest of the house is getting painted this blue gray. Yeah, and it's looking like we might need a fresh coat of paint in this room. It's looking kind of, we'll see. There's a storm rolling in. It's a nice view up here. So it's 2 stories. So upstairs we have 3 bedrooms and a loft. And then downstairs is the master bedroom, kitchen, and living room, dining room. So it's split level. And then this is currently, you can see them, everything's been thrown in here. It's currently Harold's office, which is in disarray. And you can see where he was painting in there. And that closet still needs to be painted the blue. And we weren't gonna do a fresh coat. It looks like we need a fresh coat in Noah's room. And I'll take you downstairs and show you what we've been doing outside. This is our garage. We have a 2-car garage. It's big. And we're slowly packing and storing everything in the garage and getting everything ready. This is the flooring and the stair treads. So we have to do the stairs too. There's carpet on the stairs. Our house is about 13 years old, and we still have the carpet from when it was built. That builder's gray. It's gotta go before we put the house up for sale. But this is all from my craft art studio. All these boxes here. And I believe there's more stuff over here from my art studio all lined up over there. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff. I am not looking forward to unpacking it. It took me over a week to pack it. Let me take you outside. There's a storm rolling in, so let me get you. This is our backyard, which you've probably seen in videos because I did the snow video. So this is what we've been doing outside, and the boys finished this yesterday, and it's the new stairs coming out from our back door. Before it was like really rickety old. It just, you like walked out and there's the first step and you step down, which was not up to code. I don't know how it passed to code when the house was built and we bought it, but this is a lot better. So you can come out and there's a landing and then you walk down the side. So we like that. Honestly, we never use this back door. We always come in and out of the garage. if I had had my way, if we stayed here and remodeled, I would have removed this door and made my kitchen a little bit bigger, but it is what it is. Next, people might do it. They might build a deck. Who knows? But for now, that's to code and it's ready to go. So there's our yard. It's a big yard. It's not even all cleared. Actually, we have quite a large lot. It goes way back there in the woods. So, and there'll never be anybody behind our house. So if you do live here, which is nice, you get the privacy, which we're finding in Florida is not too easy to find. There's always a house or something behind you. We're trying to find something similar, but not having any luck right now. Well, that wraps up our exciting news. I hope you guys are excited for the channel to be moving to Florida. We're excited to move to Florida. Be able to be a full-time theme park vlogger is really my goal, and this is going to get me closer to it. I hope you guys keep watching and sharing and letting people know about me, and also to be closer to family. I'm super excited about being close to my mom and my daughter and all our other family that are in Florida. I just hope you guys keep watching, and I will update you on the progress of the house and the move and finding a new house, and just sharing like how difficult it is to move from one state to the other. And remember, if you can imagine it, we can create it.